the reward not make sense, or that because of your likeness for Nini, I make you not do the task?
Okay, I'm a very calculative person. I weigh the two of them. Okay. Now this is the get the cry. No Lily now. Come on. And then that person will say, that may be our closest friend. No,
yeah. So imagine you do that kind of thing to
this girl for that baby we should go listen to. And she will make you feel comfortable.
Why you not think waiting Saga go pass through during your exit? Why you not reject her?
You see that backyard, the time when we clean that garden, you see that garden?
He pay you for body.
Oh my god, plus one strike.
Yeah.
I knew that I had to pull it off. Because if I know.
But you not gonna feel bad for when they watch and but tell you they cry up and down.
When I watch my reaction.
Yeah, we saw your reaction.
I feel bad now. And I kept on saying to people, I said, big brother, this old tax is just to torture Saga. Because, and the way I did it, I think I was too extra good.
So between Cross and White Money right now, who you get genuine like?
First of all, there's nothing between me. There's no strength between me and Cross. Now I was just being a baby girl. You understand? Yeah.
What was the
That you should act like you are.
Maybe they tell you the truth about 20,000 naira. You do that. You're crazy.
In as much as I hate to have house.
Pretty expensive.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm hanging out here with Nini and we've been to a couple of radio stations. It's been chill. We have a lot more to do right now. And stay tuned, keep watching, maintain the vibes, positive always. Hey guys, we've been to a lot of stations. Right now we're in Wazobia FM. It's cool, it's chill, it's awesome. We have a lot of places to be. Stay tuned, keep watching.
I prepared myself every time I was home.
Yes, never waited there for reward. Come on, trust me. Wow, I know how to manage that. Never failed.
Hi guys, the video has been wonderful. I really did enjoy my session. Thank you so much guys for all the love. It's so overwhelming. I love you guys so much. Bye. Bye.